How to write a prompt in Instagram Notes. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can write a prompt in Instagram Notes. So let's get started. First of all, open your Instagram application and then you will be redirected to the home page. So what you're going to do is click on your message icon at the top right. You'll be able to see a message icon, so just click on it and here you will be redirected to your messages. So in order to add a prompt to your notes, what you're going to do is just click on your note over here. Now you can see that I have not shared any note yet, but if I click on my profile over here, so I'll be redirected to this interface. Now it says that create a prompt so that friends can join. So what basically it does is that your friends can reply their responses to this particular prompt. So what you're going to do is just click on try it, and then you can write a prompt over here. For example, I'm going to write down best series, and then I'm just going to write down a response. For example, I say the 100, and then I'm going to click on share. And here you can see that the best series, this is basically a note. And then when I click on it, I can just click on got it. And here you can see that this is a prompt that says the 100. Now my followers, whoever is following me, would be able to just click on this and they'll be able to see my prompt response to my note. So that was basically how you can add a prompt to your Instagram notes. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.